Hi guys, Lens here, and from Amazon car diffuser, and this is it in this box right here. These are the ones that clip in your car, and it's essential oil. This version, what it would do, it would purify the air in your car. It can also help you to relax as well, help your children to relax. So this is what you will get in the package, and it is very affordable. At the back you can clip this on in your car, by the vent, anywhere in your car. And if you look at it right, it can just help you to smile, it can help you to relax. It's a form of a perfume as well, but what happens is that it will give off a scent to purify the air in your car. So I suggest that you check the links out in the video description, and you will see the link for this. And there are other car diffusers as well, so I recommend that you check to see which one you like. They are different design, and for this one I'll be using it in my car. Also, I'll be probably buying another one for my studio. Actually, I do like the design of it, and just like this you can clip it on your car. Hello, my name is Lens. So yeah, this is a review for car diffuser, and as I stated, it is an essential oil, you know, with few drops, and do something awesome with it. Yeah, so why buy one of this? Fashion maybe, but it is something that can help you to relax. It is something can help you to smile. It is something that can purify the air in your car. For something like this, it is very affordable, so I recommend that you getting one of this for your car. And at the back there's a clip to clip on in the vents in your car. So I hope that you enjoy this review for this car diffuser, and I hope that you will get one today. Pick one up. It's very affordable, and it can help you to relax. It can help your children to relax. It can also help with your immunity as well, and in your environment. So again, you can consider getting one and trying it out for yourself, and let me know in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification for my latest videos. I'm Lens, and I'm out.